Aries, hello, and welcome to Gina Moon. This is your weekly tarot reading starting this new week of January the 8th up until January the 15th. Without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into your reading. Remember that this is a general reading, so take it as it resonates. It could be you towards somebody or somebody here towards you, so if you feel the need to reverse the roles, then go ahead and do so, okay? All right, let's see. You are starting with the dominant energy of the drum roll, and you have here walk away. Okay, so let's read this one out to you. It has a message: walk away. Let go of burdens and let go of worries and walk away. Surrender your ego and simply walk away. Feel the freedom and enlightenment as you rise above these petty matters. Follow your inner quest and luxuriate in well-deserved peace of mind. So sometimes the more you try to achieve something or to fight a battle that you just know you cannot win, the best thing to do is to walk away. And I know that you, as a type of personality that you are, you don't like to give up too soon. You see it as no, right? I don't give up. But sometimes it's recommended for you to just let it go. You know, don't let your ego get in the way. Surrender your ego. Sometimes it's your ego that really wants that validation, right? It's not really you. And so that's where the conflict comes in. So ask yourself, is this just ego driven? Is just your ego in it because it wants satisfaction? Or do you know that the wiser thing to do is to simply let it go and walk away, right? Feel the freedom as you let it go, right? Because sometimes when you keep trying, and you're not getting the result that you want, okay, you feel stuck. That's what makes you feel stuck in situations that you feel like you can't get out of, okay? So feel the freedom and the enlightenment as you rise above these petty matters. Sometimes these matters are very petty, and in order for you to be the bigger person, you have to rise above them. You have to let it go and walk away. Sometimes the bigger person needs to just simply say, you know what, I'm not going to get involved in this anymore. I'm going to let it go, okay? Again, if you do that, it will follow with your well-deserved peace of mind. A lot of times people don't realize how valuable a peace of mind is, because from having a peace of mind, then you can manifest and attract everything that your heart desires without any effort. Okay, so again, here we have walk away. There is a man who is on it looks like a donkey. That's not even a horse, right? You know, so he's on a donkey and he's walking away. Yeah, he doesn't look too happy about it, but little does he know that by walking away, that's how he will get everything that he wants. Let's see what this is all about here for you. What is this all pertaining to in your situation that you are experiencing at this moment? Also, let me know in the comments below what this is pertaining to. Does this make sense to you? Okay, let's see. All right, so here you have, okay, the first one is a Hierophant. So I'm going to go ahead and spread these out for you first, okay? And then we're going to go ahead and clarify each and every position. So you could possibly be dealing with the sign of Taurus, the sign of Capricorn, the sign of Scorpio. What else do we have here? At the bottom here, you have the Chariot. Could be the sign of Cancer. Whatever sign this is, yeah, I do see that. You know, at the bottom of the deck, you have the Chariot. So basically that means for you that you have it in you to win this, okay? But it doesn't always have to do with confrontation. I feel like you've already confronted the situation for what it is, and now it's time for you to walk away. It doesn't make you less than, okay? But I see that there's some kind of confrontation and courage. There's like that courage in walking away. There's a strength in walking away, right? I do see that, again, this is what's going to bring you success that you perhaps don't see right now. You also have here the Hierophant. So this has to do with either a commitment, okay, a higher level of commitment, whether you are married to someone, whether this is a kind of serious relationship, whatever this is, okay? But I do see that for some of you guys, it could just be the element of you getting advice from perhaps an advisor, a counselor, that kind of thing. For the majority, I do see that the situation pertains to some kind of commitment that you had, okay? Now, also here in your challenge position, you have the Three of Cups. So it's going to be a little bit challenging for you to feel like you want to go out, have fun, and socialize. Perhaps right now you don't feel like socializing. You don't feel like partying, making amends, or, that kind of energy of celebration. But it is recommending for you to start socializing, okay? Even though it may not be that easy for you to do so. With the Queen of Cups here, I do see that there is an element here of you desiring love, you desiring to love, to be loved, to show emotions, that kind of thing, okay? There's that energy of you feeling like you want to express how you feel, but you don't know how to. Also here, the root of the issue is the Queen of Swords. So the root of the issue is that somebody in the situation, whether you or the other individual, has gone through a lot. And I feel like, because they've gone through a lot, they're a little bit cold-hearted. This person might not be very loving. They may not be all that kind of, expressive with regards to emotions. And the root of the issue pertains to perhaps manipulation, this person being egotistical, an individual here being overly domineering, controlling, that energy of perhaps a person who is just not very nice, okay? But this is because this person has been through a lot and they have a lot of unhealed emotions. Now, in the recent past, I see that you cut off something toxic. You finally said to yourself, you know what, this is not for me, this is not healthy for me or the situation, and I see that you cut off something toxic, or you stopped doing something that was very unhealthy for you, whether it was a toxic bond, toxic connection, situation. This could be related to career matters, family matters, love matters, whatever this is. But I see that you cut off some kind of toxicity. In the near future coming towards you, in your opportunity, you're going to have the opportunity to finally say, you know what, this is over and done, right? Walking away. Remember, this goes hand in hand. You're going to be able to end something. You're going to be able to put something to an end. There's an ending coming in the near future, okay? Again, it's related to walking away. With the Page of Wands here, this is in your subconscious thoughts. In your subconscious thoughts, you're kind of getting a little bit enthusiastic about something new. You're like, you know what? Okay, this is ending, but now I'm ready for something new. You're kind of, foreseeing yourself in a new adventure, in a new relationship, or just simply, perhaps sending out a message. Okay, let's see what this message will bring. The messenger, the communicator. Maybe you want to communicate something, you want to say something, or you want to explore something further. Whether it's a connection, a person, a situation, but you're very enthusiastic, okay, about this new adventure, this brand new chapter in your life. Now, I see here also with the Ace of Wands, this basically pertains to how one person sees the other. So I do see that this individual wants a brand new beginning with you, or you want a brand new beginning with somebody else. It's a passionate brand new beginning, a passionate brand new start. I feel like you want that passion, okay? You don't just want a job that's just, kind of giving you money. You want to feel passionate about your job. If this is a relationship, you don't just want a relationship to not feel lonely. You want the relationship to be real, to be passionate. You want sparks to fly. You want to feel alive again. Okay. If this is an idea, a project, you don't just want to start investing in a project just because, perhaps people around you say that's a good investment. You really want to know that this investment is going to give back to you in some kind of positive way. So this is a brand new beginning, okay? I see with the Knight of Cups here, your action advice is to show your feelings, express yourself, communicate how you feel, go towards that which, kind of sets your heart on fire, whether it's a person, a place, an idea, a job, a career, an endeavor, whatever this is, okay? Go towards that which, sets your heart on fire. Communicate how you feel, right? Express how you feel. I feel like this is an opportunity for you to make a move. If this is somebody towards you, then somebody here wants to express how they feel towards you. This is them, wanting to come in and sweep you off your feet. And the final result, if you do actually take action towards what you are feeling passionate about or who you're feeling passionate about, is look at that. Commitment. This beautiful commitment, making something more official for long-term, could be related to a long-term potential in a relationship. It could turn into marriage. offering marriage, that kind of thing, or somebody offering marriage to you. If this is related to career matters, you're going to be able to make a lot of money if you go towards that which your heart, feels like that's the thing to get involved in. Again, whether it's a career, whatever this is. But I do see a lot of abundance, a lot of money, something for long term, okay? An opportunity there. So I feel like perhaps for some of you guys, recent events, okay, have made you feel like you invested in something for what, right? Like you didn't really get what you wanted. You didn't get the recognition that you feel that you deserved. But this is telling you, leave that behind in this new chapter. Don't stop trying. Don't stop giving it your all. Sometimes people get very pessimistic and they stop giving these new opportunities their all because of their past. This is saying, no, this new opportunity is for you, right? Give it your all. It's a brand new beginning in love, in passion, in career, in money, in abundance. Okay, give it your all, because if you try again and you actually give it your all, this time you will succeed. Okay, so let's go ahead and see why walk away is here as your dominant energy. Why is walk away here as your dominant energy? So you have here the Two of Cups, the Wheel of Fortune, the Seven of Swords, and the Nine of Pentacles. Abundance, abundance. Look at that. This is you becoming independent, being abundant, being able to enjoy the fruits of your labor. Everything that you've tried hard to get, you're finally going to get it. You're going to get the appreciation, the accolades, the attention. You're going to be able to spend money on luxurious things if that's what you want. And if you just want on simple things, it's fine. But this is all about your independence, your glow up, as they say, right? This is kind of like an opportune time for you to pay attention to your own needs, your own desires. What is it that you want out of the situation, out of life? Okay, instead of continuously focusing on the other thing, the outside thing, the other person. Okay, I see here that there's also, okay, by you walking away, that's how this beautiful soulmate connection will come into fruition, okay, in your life. So I see here that good luck is in your favor. That's why it's telling you walk away. Okay, right now might not be the right time. Okay, but if you walk away from this situation that is really sneaky, a sneaky person, a person who's been lying, who hasn't been honest, okay, this is going to be your time, your moment of reflection, and your moment of blessings coming in through this energy of this Two of Cups, which is a soulmate union and a soulmate bond. But again, this is destined. This is all about destiny, okay? And when destiny is playing a part in your reading, then that means that no matter how much you keep trying, or whether you give up or not, it's going to happen for you because it's meant to be. So no matter if you walk away, don't feel guilty, because at least you gave it your all. And now in this brand new chapter, you will continuously give it your all, but now you're going to get the results that you want. Because remember, there's a sneaky behavior that is not good for you, that you need to put to an end. You need to walk away from. This person might be lying. There might be lies. There might be, again, sneaky behavior here and there, and or some kind of trust issues as well. Okay, we're going to be going into the extended reading to see who this other person is, because like I said, I do see this beautiful loving bond. So we're going to see more so about who this other individual is, more so about their subconscious thoughts about you, their deeper feelings, emotions for you, their next moves, actions towards you, how the situation is all going to turn out and unfold for you, what is going to be the final result. And we will end the reading with any messages from Spirit. So if you want to check that out, the link to the extended is down in the description box below. In the extended reading, I go into the other person's subconsciousness, their deeper thoughts about you, their deeper feelings for you, their next actions, moves, and more. And thank you all so much for all of your positive feedback for the extended reading. I am so glad that you guys are loving the extended reading so much. So again, if you want to check out the link to the extended, the link is down in the description box below. And if you would like a psychic reading, you can check out the link to Psychic Source that is down in the description box below. I have partnered with Psychic Source so that you can receive 10 minutes for only $10 and an additional 3 minutes for free. Choose any psychic of your choice, chat with them online via my direct link that is down in the description box below, or you can also call them. The number will be shown when you click on the description link that is down below. And use my special code 26489 when you call them or when you chat with them. Again, the direct link to Psychic Source is down in the description box below.